Martin, what is good in chemistry? To always be ready and to get your answers right. Okay. 10.5, please read it to us.
What is the chemical equation that describes the reaction between H2SO4 and ammonia, which is NH3?
Okay. In the previous problems, we were working with acids and bases that were nice and easy to identify. The acids had these extra hydrogens hanging out in them, and the bases had the hydroxide polyatomic ion in them, making it easy for us to identify them. Neither of these appears to have a polyatomic ion OH in it. Nope, they don't. So which one is the acid and which one is the base? Okay. What are you looking at?
Just
I see.
At this, actually.
Okay. So we have this, which if you look on the table on page 328, you see H2SO4 listed as sulfuric acid. Now, you are not required to memorize this table on page 328, table 10.1, but you should be somewhat familiar with this. These are common acids. So this is a common acid, okay? This is, what is it, Martin?
Sulfuric acid.
It is. It's sulfuric acid, okay? This is the sulfate, and this is 2 hydrogen, right? Excuse me. Sorry, where'd we go? Back to 10.5 is where we're looking. There it is. Okay, so we want to describe the reaction. So this is an acid. Let's find out if this is going to be a base. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it says right here that ammonia is a base.
It does, which is helpful.
So we got our acid in our base.
Okay, so sulfuric acid wants to donate. Okay? And so it's going to donate to the ammonia. So let's see what happens. So if it's donating to this, do you know what's going to happen?
Let's see. No.
Well, I have to say, it looks a whole lot like example 10.3. Come on, tell me what's going to happen. Yeah. Huh. So what happens there? You end up with
3NH4 plus PO4 3 minus. So are we gonna like substitute the S for the P and just write that down then?
We're gonna say it again?
Because we don't have a P, we have an S. So we can't just like copy that down.
Right. So this can only take 1 hydrogen. Okay?
Okay.
So let's say it takes 1. What happens to the other one? I know, we need to have 2 of these. Right? So if we have 2 of these, then we'll end up with 2 of these. Right?
Yes.
So the correct equation that we're going to write down, that was going to have the original reactants, right? So we're going to say H2SO4 plus NH3 yields, 2 NH3 yields SO4 2 negative plus 2 NH4 positive. Okay? That's it for 10.5.